Megan's turn to do the blindfold challenge.
With the blender. Alright, so you get to go first.
Oh, I'm so nervous.
Yes or no?
One more time. Yes. Uh-oh, you laughed.
Okay.
No.
Yes or no?
Yes or no?
Yes. Oh no.
Okay, yes or no?
No.
Yes or yes or no?
Jesus. No.
Yes or no?
Yes or no?
Yes. Oh no, that's the Worcestershire, isn't it?
Yes or no?
Yes.
Oh. Yes or no?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
Yes or no?
Yes. Ew, no! You're putting the olives in it, aren't you?
No.
Oh.
Yes. Wait. Yes or no?
One more time. Yes.
Okay, how many more do you want?
Just surprise me.
Yes or no?
Yes. Is that the tea mix?
Yes or no?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
Yes or no? Wait. Yes or no?
Yes. Oh, I'm so nervous now.
Yes or no?
What's it? He was the dude.
Oh.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Dude.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Hey, you think one more and be
Or
done?
two more?
Two more?
Oh.
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay. One more.
Yes or no?
No.
Yes or no?
I thought I was done. Yes.
Okay.
Yes or no?
No.
All right.
Ooh, it's gonna be.
Take your blindfold off.
Oh my gosh, no. Is this the stuff I said yes to?
This is what you said yes to. This is what you
Oh
said
my
no
gosh.
to. And it's hard in there.
Now I really like regretting my life choices.
Let me see.
Just remember, you guys have to try it too. Yeah, you do. That was the deal.
Woo! How is it? You like
Salty.
my new mixie?
I should not ever be blindfolded making decisions again.
Let me try it. Should I try
Yeah. Definitely taste that balsamic vinegar coming through there.
Yeah. I think they just like the salt. You did too with the olives.
Yeah.
it?
All right, guys, that was Megan's, and we give her a lot of stuff that we just added in there,
I did much worse than anyone.
and
Mine is
she'll see it in the video. Silas put the olives down, and she said no, and then I tapped it differently, and she said yes to it. Love you, babe.
You're so mean.
Good?
One of these days I'm gonna get payback too.
And this will be our first video saying if you guys like our stuff, we have a lot of shorts out. Please like and subscribe. We appreciate it.
Yeah.
What do you want to say?
You guys have fun?
Tell everybody thank you. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching this video. And remember to subscribe and like.
Awesome.
See you next time.